there, welcome back to my channel. This is the look I am going to be doing today. It's a very simple, colorful look, and if you're interested in this look, please keep watching. My base makeup is complete and I'm starting straight off with the eyes. I'm using the Tropical Carnival palette. From the palette, I'm using the bright matte yellow called Geoverd on my entire lid and crease area. Taking my time to build the color up, making sure the color is well saturated. Then I'm taking the matte orange called Spice Island and applying that on my crease. Then I'm taking a matte brown from the Wild Animal Fierce palette and applying that on my outer lid and crease. And applying the same matte brown shade on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna draw a bold blue winged liner with the Nika Glamorize Eye Pencil in the color Blue Hex. It takes time to build the color up, so I'm taking my time building the color up with short strokes. By the way, there's a separate review of this eye pencil up on my channel, do check that out. Then I'm using the same pencil on my lower lash line. Using a white gold from Wet n Wild on my waterline. Then reapplying the blue liner to smoothen out the edges. And then going back to the crease and resaturating it with the same matte brown eyeshadow. I'm using this champagne gold shade from the Sofx highlighter palette and using that on my inner corner and brow bone. Also applying that in the middle of my lid for a light sheen. And highlighting my nose. Then I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and then I'm gonna put on falsies off camera. For lips, I'm gonna use the Nika Matte to Last lip color in the shade Kashi. By the way, I have also reviewed this lip color using the same champagne gold color to highlight my cheekbones. I have tons of other makeup related videos on my channel. If you are interested, please do check them out. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.